Your body is made of frozen nuclear energy. Nuclear physics sounds like something distant, dangerous, or abstract, but in reality, it governs the most fundamental forces in the universe, from the energy inside stars to the matter that makes up your body. Here are 5 nuclear physics facts that completely change how you understand reality. Almost all mass comes from nuclear energy. Most people think mass comes from particles simply existing, but that's not true. Over 99% of the mass of ordinary matter comes from binding energy inside atomic nuclei. Protons and neutrons are held together by the strong nuclear force, and the energy required to bind them actually creates mass. This is a direct consequence of Einstein's equation, E equals mc. In other words, mass is frozen energy. Without nuclear forces, atoms would barely weigh anything, and matter as we know it wouldn't exist. Nuclear forces are the strongest forces in the universe. Gravity holds planets together. Electromagnetism governs chemistry. But the strong nuclear force is on a completely different level. It is millions of times stronger than gravity, yet it only works at extremely short distances inside the nucleus. This force is so powerful that it overcomes the natural repulsion between positively charged protons. Without it, every atomic nucleus would instantly fall apart. The universe is stable, not because forces are gentle, but because they are perfectly balanced. Nuclear reactions power the stars and your sun every second. The sun converts about 4 million tons of mass into energy through nuclear fusion. Hydrogen nuclei fuse into helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the process. That energy becomes sunlight, heat, and ultimately, life on Earth. If nuclear fusion stopped right now, the sun would still shine for a few minutes, then slowly fade. Everything that lives depends on nuclear physics, even though it happens 150 million kilometers away. Radiation is a natural part of the universe. Radiation often sounds artificial or man-made, but it's been around since the birth of the universe. You are exposed to radiation every day, from space cosmic radiation, from the ground radioactive elements and rocks, even from your own body, potassium. Your cells have evolved repair mechanisms specifically to handle this. Life didn't survive despite radiation. It adapted because of it. Radiation is dangerous in excess, but it is also completely natural. Nuclear physics reveals that matter is mostly empty space. If you scale an atom up to the size of a football stadium, the nucleus would be a marble at the center. Everything else is empty space. Yet nuclear forces ensure that atoms don't collapse, don't drift apart, and can form solid objects. What you perceive as solid reality is actually fields, forces, and probability. Matter isn't solid, it's structured emptiness held together by nuclear laws. Nuclear physics isn't just about reactors or weapons. It explains why matter exists, why stars shine, and why reality holds together at all. If you want more videos that explain the hidden rules of the universe, subscribe and stay curious.